Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how we can do simple e-commerce arbitrage. We'll be using Binance and one e-commerce platform to explain this arbitrage process right here. Alright guys, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this process. But before we do, if you guys find this video helpful, I'd like you to please take some of your time to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you get more updates like this whenever I do upload them on YouTube, okay? So without any further ado, let's dive into the process. Alright guys, so this is our e-commerce platform of interest. We're going to be using Amazon to explain this process, okay? So what you just need to do now is to create your account on Amazon so that we can continue this process. And once you've done that, you go ahead and verify your account, okay? So everybody know Amazon and what Amazon is used for. This is a platform where you can order things from different countries in the world, okay? You can also order things from your own country, that's Nigeria, or whichever country you're watching this video from. You can order anything online through this platform, but we're not going to be ordering something with this platform. We're not going to be ordering any goods and services. The thing we're going to be doing is to use this platform for arbitrage right here, okay? We're using it for dollar arbitrage. So the first thing you need to do is that you are going to be looking for someone that you can partner with outside your country, okay? So it might not necessarily be US, it can be China, it can be anywhere outside Nigeria. And once you find someone that you can partner with, then you can now go ahead to start this arbitrage process, okay? I'm going to be using the US to explain this, okay? So you can find someone in China and you're going to use their currency to do this arbitrage, okay? So the first thing now we need to do is to look for a product that we are going to be buying, okay, from our friend in the US, okay? This can be anybody. If you are using someone in the US and you are a Nigerian, it will even be better if you can find a Nigerian in the US, okay? It can be your relative and you guys are going to be doing this particular process, okay? You explain what I'm going to be explaining to you right here to your friend in the US or any other country, okay? So guys, the first thing you need to do is to find a product that you want to use to do this arbitrage, okay? So you can go for digital products, they are the best, okay? So let's say you do this with ebooks, okay? You can download ebooks easily. It's very easy to use it for the arbitrage method. So I'll just search for books right now, okay? Let's give this more time to load. So guys, if we scroll down now, we can see list of books that we can try. So you need to take note that we're not actually buying these books, we just want to use them for arbitrage. So let's say we want to go for this first one right now. As you can see, the name of the book is The Woman in Me. So just go ahead now and open it, and you can see the price is right here, $16.40. So I'll go ahead now, open it. Let's see the full version of the book. And you can go for any other form of books, okay? You don't want to go for normal books, you can go for ebooks. The best thing is just to do the arbitrage over and over again, okay? You just look for any product that you can use to do this over and over again. So let's say we are going for the book, so I'll open it right now. Let's go to the shop of the book, okay? So this particular book that you're seeing right here, it is someone that uploaded the book, okay? The person might be in the US, the person might be in China, the person might also be in Nigeria. But you need to understand that it's someone that uploads this book right here, as you can see. So the advantage for using this for arbitrage is that if it is someone that is in US that upload this book right now, I can buy it from him right here with my card, okay? I can buy it from him right here and make payments at bank rate right here using Amazon, okay? So you can see you can even buy the audio book and it is free, okay? But let's say you want to buy the audio CD right now, okay? And all I just need to do now is to confirm the rate, okay? So you can see to get this book right now is $20.89. Let's take note of this price, okay? If you want to get the audio version of the book, we're going to be spending $20.89. So the next question you want to ask is, what is the dollar to Naira rate on this platform? And if you are going to be buying this book from your friend in the US, how much are you going to be buying it in Naira, okay? So that's very easy. All you just need to do now is to scroll down, okay? So don't forget the price, $20.89. So we'll scroll down now and change the currency, okay? Once you reach the bottom, I'm going to be changing the currency from US dollar to NGN. So I'll click on this right now, and as you can see right here, all you just need to do is to change the currency by clicking on this right here, okay? So you click on this and you see the list of currencies. So all these currencies that I see right here are the currencies or countries that you can do this arbitrage with. So it means that any currency that you're not seeing right here, you can't do the arbitrage with that currency or country. So if you want to do this with someone in China and you not see the Chinese currency, you'll not be able to do that. But you can see there's Chinese currency right here. So each of these currencies you are seeing right here means that you can do the arbitrage with the countries that are here. So let's change this to NGN right now, okay? So scroll down, locate NGN, and you can see this NGN Nigerian Naira. So we'll go ahead and click it, and we're going to click on save changes. So it will automatically change the currency for us on the Amazon platform, and we will be able to see the price of the book that I want to buy in Naira. So we'll scroll down now and you can see this is the price of the book. So as you guys can see, the book in dollars is about $20.89, and you can see right here in Naira is about 16,803 Naira. So now that we have known the two prices of this book right now, we have known the two prices in the two different currencies, that's the dollar and the Naira. What we just have to do now is to check how much $1 is going to be costing us right here, so that we'll know the exchange rate of $1 to Naira on the Amazon platform. So let's move straight to our calculator to do this right now. Alright guys, so to get the dollar rate on Amazon, all you just need to do is to divide the money in Naira by the money in dollars, and we'll see how much Naira we need to get $1 on the platform. Okay, so let's confirm the price again in Naira. The book is costing 16,803, so I'll put 16,803 right now. I'm going to be dividing this by $20.89. Okay, so if you remember, it's 20.89. As you guys can see, this is the dollar rate on Amazon platform. You need about 804 Naira to get $1. Okay, so this is the dollar rate, and now we have understand that you can get your dollars cheap from Amazon. Okay, so this is very, very cheap, and if you compare this to the Binance price, you are going to be making profits if you follow the arbitrage process that I'm about to explain right now. Okay, so let's move back to Amazon. Alright guys, so now that we have known the dollar rate right here on Amazon, the next question is how are we going to use this for arbitrage? So as I said earlier, you need someone in the US, okay? And once you find someone in the US or any country, okay, once you find someone in that country, all you just need to do is to tell the person to open an Amazon account, and you tell the person to verify his Amazon account. Once he verifies his Amazon account, the person is now going to open an online store with Amazon. Okay, so in case you don't know how to open an online store with Amazon, the person can just search on YouTube, okay, or you guide the person, you search for YouTube and guide the person on how to create his own store. So you now are not going to be buying this product from him, okay, but it's not actually going to be shipping the product to you. Okay, you guys are just going to receive payment and mark order. You are going to mark order as received. So once you pay for the product, your friend is now going to be receiving the full value in dollars. Okay, so if you pay 16,803 Naira, your friend in the US is going to be getting $20.89. Okay, and what your friend can now do for you to make the profit is to now send the $20.89 to you back in USDT. Then you sell on Binance, and you are going to be making profits from the process. Okay, we'll be going to Binance to confirm how much 20.89 USDT will be, because it will be giving us. Alright guys, so as you can see right here on the Binance P2P, let's come here to the sell section, and if we are to sell 20.89 USDT right here on the Binance P2P, so let's just click on this cell to explain the process. Okay, and if we put the amount right here, that is 20.89, you guys can see you're going to be getting 24,032 Naira. So if we come back now to Amazon, you can see the product costs 16,803 Naira. So there's going to be a lot of profit just with 16,000 Naira capital. So you take note, the 16,000 Naira is your capital in this process. Okay, so now you are going to be getting a full price of 24,032 Naira right here if you are to sell your 20.89 USDT. So let's see how much profit you'll be making in total. So guys, if you subtract the total amount you're going to get, which is 24,032 Naira, okay, from the amount you're going to be using as capital, which is 16,803 Naira, you guys can see you're going to be making 7,229 Naira from this process. So this is enough to call a profit just with 16,000 Naira capital. This is what anybody can do and make profit. All you just need to do is to follow what I said from the beginning. Look for someone in the US, tell them to create a store and make payments with your card. Okay, the list of cards that you can try out are on my Telegram channel. So what you guys can now do to work in a long term, if you find someone in the US, okay, you guys can work in a long term by splitting the profit. Okay, you can tell him that you are going to divide the profit by 2, and you guys are going to be sharing it 3,600. You keep 3,600 for yourself, and you send 3,600 to your friend in the US. Okay, and if it is someone that's a Nigerian, if it is a Nigerian that is in the US, let's say it's your fellow relative or your friend that you know that's a Nigerian, you can just send it to his bank account. Okay, you send it his profits to his Nigerian bank account. Okay, and you guys can work in a long term. In case you want to make payment on this platform, because some people will be asking how can you make payment on this platform right here. Okay, so you can try your debit cards. Okay, there are many people which their debit cards are working for online payment, and I have dropped some list of cards that you can try out on my Telegram channel. Okay, so once you join my Telegram channel, you will see the list of cards from the different banks that you can try out and use it to make payment on Amazon platform. Now those cards that are dropped, some of them they do not allow their customers to make international payments, and if you are one of them, you can just go to your bank and tell them to permit your card to pay for international products, okay, to be able to make international payments. And once they permit your card, then you can come back to Amazon and do this arbitrage, okay. So the best way to pay is with your card, okay. I don't think Amazon is accepting bank transfer, so you just click on buy now. The person you are going to be paying, you're going to be getting this product from, is going to be receiving the money in dollars, okay. Don't forget, this store has to be created in another country. You cannot create this store in Nigeria, or don't try to use any form of VPN to create it in Nigeria. You need someone to also verify the account. So it's best you talk to someone or you partner with someone in the US or any other country of your choice and do this arbitrage with them, okay. Alright guys, so that's all I'm going to be explaining for this particular update. I'm really sure you guys found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to still smash the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more updates like this whenever I do upload them on YouTube. So I'll see you guys in my next update.